After using the Laser S2500 more than 6 months long, in my opinion, I want to say that it is not just an evolution of the laser texturing technology. In my opinion, it's more a revolution of the existing technology. Because if you compare the machine running time, which could be reduced by up to 50 or 70%, depending on the texture, the shape itself, but it is a really big improvement in productivity for us and also for our customers. Probably the most important value the new S2500 brings to our work is its speed and a very high accuracy. That means with the S2500 we are able to realize very efficient working process in our company, and that means that the prices for the laser texturing service in comparison to the prices for traditional chemical etching can decrease. That means the whole texture technology will be more and more important for the future demands and also for the future surface technologies for injection tools. The new Laser S2500 is the most accurate and most efficient machine we ever got from GF. And by improving their technology and their machines, GF helps us very well to bring the sustainable and environmentally friendly laser technology more and more into the automotive market.